If you want to turn on or off your call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A26, follow the simple steps. There are a couple methods of doing this. Let's start with the first one. Open up your phone dialer. And now we have to enter, in order to activate our call forwarding, of course, we have to enter the following code: **67. Now press star, enter some phone number where you want your calls to be forwarded to, right? Then press hash, make a call. Now give it some time to process the code, and you will receive a message whether it was connected or not. And in order to deactivate our call forwarding through our dialer, you have to press hash 002 hash and make a call. As you see, all call forwarding all erase successful. Press OK. And basically now we disable it. The second way of doing this is through our settings. So once again, open up your phone dialer. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner, press settings. Now scroll down to supplementary services. Choose your call forwarding. Choose your voice calls. Now choose the following options. Always follow, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, follow when unreachable. For example, let's add forward then unanswered and simply enter your number or choose it from the contacts. Now press enable. All right, let's try it back once again. And basically that's it. And if you want to disable it, choose the corresponding option, make it clear and press disable. Basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.